Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the second method in balancing redox equation for acidic solution. Let's go to this example. What I have here is this redox equation. I need you to balance this equation. So how to start? We are going to start by following step by step acronyms Rauch chair. So for the first one, we are going to determine two redox half equations where one of it is supposed to be oxidation and the second one is reduction. So I'm going to choose two couples here based on the same element that they share for reactant and product side. So I have this one as the first couple because of carbon atom. And the second couple is this one because they share the same manganese element. So we are going to determine which couple is for the reduction and which one is for oxidation. So I'm going to choose the most easier one. I'm going to choose MnO4- produce Mn2+. So why I choose this one? Because in order for you to determine what process they are, you have to determine based on their oxidation number. So oxidation number for Mn2+ is positive 2. However, you have to determine for this one. So I'm going to determine the oxidation number for Mn in MnO4-. You will have this one, positive 7. So positive 7 for manganese in MnO4- and positive 2 is for Mn2+. So you can see from positive 7 to positive 2, there is a decrease in oxidation number. So this couple will be reduction. And the next one automatically will be oxidation. Next part, we are going to separate them into oxidation and reduction. I'm going to continue with the next step. I have to balance atoms except for oxygen and hydrogen. So what I have here, I got two carbons, so I put 2 here. And for reduction, I have 1 manganese, so nothing to do. Next step, I have to balance oxygen by adding H2O. So you can see there is 4 oxygen atoms at the left side for oxidation, and you got 4 of it at the right side. So you don't have to do anything. Next one, you have 4 oxygen atoms at the left side for reduction. So you have to add up 4 H2O. Next, we are going to balance hydrogen by adding H+. So for oxidation, you just skip because there is no hydrogen atom. Now we go to reduction. You have 4 times 2, 8 hydrogen atoms. So I'm going to add up plus 8H+. So in this step, you just add up all those things all together in one line. A bit different from method 1, but at the end of the solution, you will get the same balance equation. So let's continue with the next one, the charge. So I have to determine the charge so that I can put the value of electrons at the more positive side. So let's go for oxidation first. We got negative 2 is the total charge for the left side, and I got 0 for the total charge at the right side. So we are going to balance this equation by adding 2 electrons at the right side here. Next one, go to the reduction. I have positive 8 for this one, and I have negative 1 for MnO4-. So the total charge for the left side of reduction is positive 7. However, for right side, we have positive 2 for Mn2+ and 0 for H2O because it's neutral compound. So the total will be positive 2. So you got 7 here and you got 2 here. So in order to get 2 from 7, you have to minus 5. So I put 5 electrons at the left side because 7 is more positive than 2. Next one, we go to the next step. You have to cancel out electron, but make sure your number of electrons are same for both sides. So I'm going to times the oxidation with 5, and for reduction, I'm going to multiply by 2. So you will have oxidation is this one when you times by 5, and for reduction is this one when you times by 2. So now you can see the number of electrons at the opposite side is same, 10 electrons. So you can cancel them out. And next part, I'm going to combine everything at the left side. Same goes for the right side for oxidation and reduction. So we are going to get the final equation, this one. So how you want to check whether your equation is balanced or not? You can calculate the total charge for both sides. You will have positive 4 for the left side here, and you will have positive 4 for the right side as well. So it means that this equation is balanced. So this is how you use method 2, which is more easier and more organized, and it saves a lot of space. I hope you can try to familiarize with this method when you attempt to answer tutorial question. So that's it from me for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!